Change the following sentences into reported speech. Reported ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? It is indirect speech. Conversation ನಡೆದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಮೂರನೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, the third person, when he is explaining to other or reporting to others, that is indirect or reported speech. Swami said to his father, your office room is dusty. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, think you are the third person here, you have to explain this conversation between Swami and his father to your teacher. How will you tell? Swami complained to his father that his office room was dusty. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಫಾದರ್ಗೆ, ತಂದೆಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನಂತ? ಅವರ ಆಫೀಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಡಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದೇನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಓಕೆ, when a third person is explaining or telling about the conversation between two people, he is reporting to the paper, to the media, to the other people, that is called as reported speech. Burglar cried, something has bitten me. How will you write? Burglar cried that ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. Complain to his father that. See, burglar cried that. Now you will remove this inverted comma. How will you remove? Burglar cried that something had bitten him. Already ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, past. Something had bitten him. See here, when we are converting direct speech into indirect, in the direct speech, if there is a present tense, it will become past tense. Is has become was. Okay, so when you are removing the inverted comma, you should use the word that. Okay, so it becomes Swami complained to his father. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. that ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಹಿಸ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಸ್ಟಿ. ಬರ್ಗ್ಲರ್ ಕ್ರೈಡ್ that ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಿಟನ್ ಹಿಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್.